Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll be presenting about my individual project for CSC264. The team that I choose is Event Management App, and I am Irfan Rusydi bin RAJI'I. So I'll be presenting about my app today. As for the first slide is introduction. A lot of work goes into organizing an event since each one of it has its own set of deadline and tasks. Shūketsu, the name of this app, your mobile companion. Simplify this by keeping everything organized in one place. View upcoming event with details like name, location, and date. Additionally, oversees responsibilities that are particular to each event and set deadline to make sure you never miss a beat. Which you get to bit favour to disorganized planning and concentrate on producing event that succeed. For your information, this is my logo, and for your information, the first name in my portfolio is the app is Event Is, but unfortunately, Event is already taken. So I choose Shūketsu, which means gathering in Japanese. So while we doing this event, we will gather a lot of people to organize an event. So you will gather to brainstorm. So I choose Shūketsu, which means gathering. That's all for introduction. As for the objective, I have three objectives. First one is use a centralized mobile app for project, deadline, and event data instead of clumsy paper administration. Second one is eliminate the need for various tools by organizing everything in a single user-friendly app to simplify the process. Lastly, get a clear picture of the tasks and activities that are coming up, which will help you prioritize and make decisions. That is all for features of my app. First one is it can create the event name, location, date, and time and manage all of the details in one location. Second one is it can assign tasks that are specific to each event that you have been created. Third one is set deadline for each task to guarantee that it is finished on time. Fourth one is view an extensive schedule of forthcoming event along with the tasks that go along with them. Lastly, put your attention on creating a simple mobile-friendly design that make event management easier. As for my target market, I am targeting non-NGO event planners because these individuals manage several events a year and are very passionate about the organization they represent. They frequently manage strict budget and depend on well-organized, effective procedure. As for your information, I myself is in an NGO, which is Burger Peace. So I know how to manage an event, and I have been pengarah program for PMG Kembara. So I know how to manage budget and manage all the tasks. And it is successfully done and performed. Thank you. That is for target market. For my limitation, the app can only handle up to 3 events at once at this moment. This may not be appropriate for organizers of multiple events at the same time. The application does not presently provide prioritization levels, high, medium, and low, but tasks can be set deadline. This can make it harder to rank important tasks within an event. As of right now, users are not notified by the app when the tasks are about to expire. This can result in last-minute scrambling or missed deadline. For example, when the tasks are about to reach the deadline, it does not notify the user, so it can lead to last-minute scrambling or missed deadline. Lastly, some aspects related to team collaboration may not work with the current version. Within event planning teams, this could restrict communication and task direction. It also can lead to miscommunication and it will lead to distraction of your event. That's also for my site map. It has 5 screens, which is home screen, sign up screen, login screen, event list screen, and task list screen. First of all, home screen, it has app name and logo. It also have login button, which will go to the screen, and then it also have sign up button, which will go to sign up screen. Second is sign up screen. It has insert username, insert email address, insert password, and insert confirmation password. It also has sign up button. After you all you have inserted above, it will create an account for you, and you can sign up button, and you will go to the login screen. And then it has a login button, which will lead to login screen where it has two options where it all when you create has already created an account, it will lead to login screen, or you have already created an account, so it will also lead to login screen. The one is login screen. It has insert username and insert password, and it is login button. When you have inserted all of the details, it will lead you to event list screen. And lastly is sign up button, which will go to sign up screen when you does not have an account created yet. Next one is event list screen. It has insert event name, insert event place, insert event date. It also has save button, which will save all of the details that you already have inserted. It also have add task button, which will go to the task list button, task list screen, where you can add all the tasks that is for the event. And then lastly is logout button. You get to the home screen and be logged out of your account. Lastly is task list screen, which you can choose date for your task, deadline, and insert task name. And it also will display task list with task name and task date. And also it has save button to save when you choose the date for the task and inserted the name for the task. You can save all of that and it will input in a list. Lastly is the back button. We'll go to the previous screen, which is event list screen, so you can see other event and add tasks to the other event. That's all for sitemap. Lastly, for my conclusion, in conclusion, Shūketsu give NGO organizers a mobile solution that simplifies the management of the hectic schedule. It eliminates paper mess by centralizing tasks, deadline, and event data. In addition to giving NGOs a useful tool, this project gives me experience and knowledge. We explore the complexity of developing mobile app, realizing the value of user-centric design, and identifying the essential features that should come first in order to provide the best possible user experience. Future development ideas for Shūketsu include work prioritization, deadline reminders, and greater event capacity as it continues to evolve. We're dedicated to improving Shūketsu on a regular basis in response to user feedback so that it continues to be a vital to effective event planning for non-profit organization. That's all for my conclusion. So now I will demonstrate the app on my phone. So I have opened it on my phone. So now we at the home screen. At the home screen, we have the logo of the app, the name of the app, sign up button, and login button. So now, first of all, we create an account, which is sign up. We click and sign up. We go to the sign up screen. It has username, email address, password, and confirm password. It also has login button and sign up button too. We input our username first, Irfan, email address first, Irfan Rusydi, and we does not input the password first, so we click sign up. Oh, it detected that we does not input the password, so please input the password. We put 678, for example, 678, then sign up. Account successfully created, so it leads you to the login page. We go to the login page, we put the Irfan, and then does not put the password first, login. Then it detected also you does not put your password. Then we put 678, log in. Oh, it successfully logged in. So it will lead to the main page, which is event list screen. So it has login button on the top right, and then it has the app name, and then it has all the event name, which we can input later, and add task button and save button. So first, for example, we create an event name for example, Fit Burger Piece, which is the event that I have managed, and event place it is located at Unimas, and then event date. For example, we put it next year at 27 uh, January and then 2025. We save it, so it's save all the data, and you can edit it later too. So after that, you input your task. You want to input the task of the event. You add task. You click the add task. It will lead to the next page, which is add task screen. So you put your name task, which is for the kunjungan hormat. So you choose the date, which is next week, 31 July. Okay, and then save. It put there, and then you add another one. Meeting where to next week's also meeting save. We also added to the list. And lastly, we try one more task, and we put event eating together. For example, yes. So is that next month, August, 31 August, bulan kemerdekaan. And we can save. We click save. It shows at the screen also added to the list. So as you can see, we have the remove button. If we click, we choose either one of it. We click remove. For example, we want to remove meeting. We click remove. It remove the task, and then we click Kunya Ahmad. It remove the task also, and remove all the tasks. For example, yes. And then we have back button. So we click back to go to the previous screen, which is event list screen. So we click back. It successfully go to the previous screen. lastly, we go to the logout button. It will pop up a notifier. You sure you want to leave, or you sure you want to log out the account? Then you click yes. So it will lead to the main page and be logged out of your account. That's all for my demo for my app. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention on my presentation. That's all for me. Bye.